ɛwɔ wɔman Ghana mu na mpanyinfoɔ no wɔ ha wɔn sɛ wɔn de bɛkyɛ nkɔmɔ kakraa bi ɛna akyire no na afei yɛ invite mpanyinfoɔ a ɔde bɛtena gya mu na afei yɛahyɛ dwumire no ase ɛti senior agronomist ɛwɔ ha.
yɛyɛ adwuma ahorow bebree yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ a wɔhwɛ ɔmo ne kokofoɔ ɛdi nkita ho ɔmo a wɔdi abɛ ɛdi nkita ho ɔmo a wɔyɛ processing woba Africa ha no ma within West Africa no yɛwɔ Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Liberia, Sierra Leone ɛna Ghana but wiase afɛlɛ nyinaa deɛ yɛwɔ more than 150 countries na Ghana ha no titiri no yɛ cocoa ɛna abɛ wokɔ north a ɛfa maize ne adeɛ no so no yɛyɛ ho adwuma wokɔ baabi a mining companies no so wɔ no a ɔmo nso yɛtrae sɛ ɔmo a wɔyɛ illegal mining no yɛbɛma ɔmo ayɛ dɛn yɛboa ma ɔmo ba into legal mining ɛyɛ good nti agyire yɛwɔ a deɛ bi bɛkasa fa abɛ ho asɛm yɛabɛ program no yɛstarte no 2012 yɛma yɛstarte abɛ program no sɛ yɛhu sɛ akuafo bebree naa no ɔmo sɛ ɔmo yɛ efuo no na emu no ɛyɛ asɛ ɔbrɛ bi kɛkɛ ɛna ɔyɛ dɛn ɔbrɛ because yɛwɔ so efi efuo no mba no ɛmba saa ɛhyɛ ase yɛhu sɛ fiti eastern region Ashanti part of BA Volta Western obi kura bɛyɛ 2.5 acre wenya abaa fi mu no nyinaa no ɛbɛyɛ 5 tons ɛna obɛnya fi ɛna si daabi wokɔ plantation te sɛ GOPDC top bɛn so ɛyɛ bob na ɔpa ano ne adeɛ a wɔn yɛ plantation so koraa no wɔn ntumi nduru saa level no wɔn anya 12 tons 16 tons nanso no abɛ na aka ɛwɔ sɛ yɛdua no efi Ghana Sumatra OPRI no aka yɛ nya koraa no 22 tons 24 tons per hectare ɛna ɔsɛ yɛ kɛyɛ nya wohwɛ duafiafoɔ no wɔ na ɛwɔ fam paa ɛna ɔda wɔn hyɛ aseɛ nkyɛnkyerɛ yɛ dot of demonstration esuom ha na ama yɛ dua wokɔ ɛkɔ GOPDC area mu wɔ Ashanti region Rabin Oil Mills ebi bebree na yɛ saa experiment na farmers ewie bɛyɛ 2016 no na farmers ne fi 5 tons no akɔduru 19.6 tons per hectare wohwɛ a na yɛ sɛ potential no wɔ hɔ a farmer no ɛyɛ no kakra a obɛtumi ayɛ dɛ enya abɛn bebree na sika bebree so ayɛ dɛ aba ne popo nti no fiti 2017 ɛba no deɛ yɛse afei yɛakyɛkyerɛ abrɛ emu no yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhyɛ ankorankore yɛfrɛ sɛ yɛboa ɔmo na ɔmo nso tumi boa akuafoɔ no wohwɛ akuafoɔ no nyinaa bebree naa data yɛnya no kyerɛ sɛ bebree naa no list daa no ɛyɛ nipa a ɔmo a ɔmo bi wɔ around 38 years bebree naa na ɛwɔ 40 years and above obiani adwuma ahia no bɛtumi ayɛ wɔ efu nti ne yɛpɛ sɛ ɛsɛ ne yɛ abɛhyi yɛfrɛ no rural service centers ankorankore a wɔbɛtumi ɛrukutu youth no nti no yɛyɛ mapi no so ma wa ɛno asɛ ɛbɛnya list bi a ɛha no anaa association nipa dodoɔ sei ɛna wɔ a ɔmo din nie ɛbɛyɛ a yɛfiri yɛnkyagye biribiara yɛhia ne sɛ yɛfuo no bɔmmɔden na yi hu bɔmmɔden na dɔ boundaries no ɛma ɔmo a bɛfa efuo na no ɔmo wie a ɔmɛprint ne kama ɛne de kura wa bɛtumi de akɔ bank na akɔ ade mu sɛ ampa efuo no yɛsi boundaries a ɔmo a mo ne mo bɔ hyia nie ɛno ka ɔbɛtumi akɔ pɛ buhyɛ akra yɛ ama na atoa afei so yɛwu sɛ association no nso ɛdɔɔso kama yɛyɛ ne sɛ bebree no bɛkɔ baabi no na fertilizer kra a wɔsɛ wode gu abɛɛfo ase kra no wonyɛ bi ntɔ bebree naa nso kra mpo hu sɛ ebi nkɔtɔ fertilizer bɛn ɛna ɛnyɛ dɛ egu mu aba ase emu ohun sɛ association na farmers ndodoɔ na ɛwɔ ha yɛboa ma saa fertilizer no bi yɛ dɛ bi ba within around no na farmers no etumi atɔ egu aba ase yɛsɔ sɛ bebree a yɛwɔ ha kama gye abɛ no kosi hɔ no abɛ no yɛma no fertilizer bi ada ɛma sɛ ɔnoa na ɔbrɛ saa ɛnso wode wodidi kama anɔpa ewia ewuwe nti yɛbɛsrɛ saa association bi mu a yɛayɛ bebree wɔ Cote d'Ivoire wonka association bi ho a ntumi krabo ntɔ abe ntumi yɛ den ntɔ no is all kind association edwuma baako nso a yɛdi no sɛ yɛboa ma yɛtumi influence government no ama wɔtumi di some policies a ɛbɛboa ma abɛho adwuma no ayɛ yie no ɛwɔ Ghana ha no ɛtumi ayɛ yie yɛne ekuo bi afɔ mo ɔbdak ɔyɛ Palm Development Association of Ghana yɛboa mo ama wɔtumi establish yie association biara ɛfa abɛ anasɛ no ho no ɛba ɛka ho ɛbɛtumi aboa ma ɛtumi epushi nneɛma bebree wɔkɔ board wɔ hɔ yi edwuma yi a yɛdi no ɛyɛ solidarity West Africa obi ɔkwɛshin biara na sɛ ɛsɛ biara na ɛbɛtumi ehu ekyire na yɛdi ho kɔkɔ ɛtumi aboa ɛsɛ OSSS nso no bɛyɛ about 4 years ago ɛtumi introduce ɛyɛ screw press the machine na ɛwɔ sɛkyi no introduce bebree ama na nkɔmɔ a wɔyɛ dɛ ɛyɛ spinning press ɛkyɛnni spinning press bebree aba spinning screw press ama ɛtumi aboa nkɔmɔ bebree ɔdi na ɔkyi no saa dare na nfuo bi wɔ hɔ n'asɛ public na ahoɔden na abɛkyi mama wɔn ahoɔ sɛ nkoyi ɛda wɔn ase.
Sɛ adesua yi a wɔde ama yɛn anɔpɛ yi woyɛ kuani a wobɛtu wo fo na woapɛ ekuo bi na wode wo adɔ na deɛ ɛkɔ so nyinara wo so woahu deɛ ɛkɔ so san sɛ na wiase no abere ne abere nyinara ɛnyɛma ɛsesa na sɛ woanhwɛ yi a wobɛhu sɛ yɛkɔ nanso na wonhu sɛ yɛkɔ afei na wɔwɔ kakyire yɛbɛda yɛwura no ase sɛ wɔtumi bɛma yɛ saa kyerɛkyerɛ yi ɛnɛ anɔpɛ yi wopɛ sɛ wohu no after program no a wɔbɛtumi aba bɛhu no na afei nkɔmmɔ bi ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔne wadi ɔmɛyɛ American investment a wɔwɔ Ghana ha wɔmɔhwɛ sɛ akuafoɔ especially mo a moyɛ mbɛ ho adwuma no mo nnwuma no bɛtumi akɔ yie na akɔ kan na anima ada so koraa ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ mo adwuma mo yɛ mu ankyɛ ɔpanin a ɔyɛ yɛ guest speaker ɛwɔ dwumadi ase no information a mpanyinfoɔ de ama yɛn kyerɛ sɛ ɛkyɛ ɔbɛba abɛka yɛn nsa ɛwɔ ha na saa bere yi megye sɛ yɛn mo bebree bisa yɛn ho sɛ yɛabɛhyia mu nanso deɛ paa na deɛ yɛbɛhyia mu wɔ ha na kyerɛ sɛ botaeɛ bi wɔ wɔn ti a ɛde aba abɛhyia mu ɛwɔ ha nti yɛbɛfrɛ ɔpanin baako a ɔno no ɛtumi aba abɛkyerɛ yɛn ne ti a yɛahyia mu ɛwɔ afidie mu ɛno akyi no so yɛbɛyi yɛ chairman of the program ɔma yɛbɔ nsɛm kɛseɛ ɛmfa hyia yɛwura Paul Kwabena Ameni secretary ɛde ma Artisanal Palm Oil Millers and Outgrowers Association Ghana ɔpɛni ɛma akɔ aba
yɛnua captain nana no the Muslim community chief imam yɛnua mmaa ne maame mu mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa a yɛahyia ha no I think sɛ ɛnɛ ɛyɛ anigye ɛma yɛ nyinaa na ɛtie wɔtwɛ mu ne sɛ yɛka palm oil ɛho dwumadie ɛwɔ Ghana ha it's about time mmerɛ so sɛ yɛdane no na apan ɛde sika ɛhyɛ mu ne vision ne sɛn sɛ yɛbɛtumi aka yɛn nyinaa yɛn ho abom na sɛ yɛwɔ koko board no mpanimfoɔ nim sɛ Mada Association ɔbda wɔn di dwuma so sɛ yɛbɛtumi aboa yɛn ho na yɛasɔ ɔmo asen na yɛtumi anya group a yɛdwumadie kɔtɔ tee te sɛ koko board na abɛ dwumadie no yɛgye mu akyɛ ɛyɛ ɛnɛ yɛsi wɔ a yɛkasa yi ɛdɛn ne abɛ adwuma woyɛ farmer obi nso yɛ ngo obi nso tɔn ngo na wakɔtɔn obi twi kaa ɛkɔfa ngo ne nyinaa yɛ dwuma a ɛma nipa sika hyɛ ne bɔtɔm na say adwuma bia wo ye ni a e ma no ye very sustainable and e important say ene oton abe yenim ne oto duru a ekukura price no yetimeti so a na waboka omo ye abefuo no so aban enso bia mu no fertilizer no seedling na wo hwe ene ye chi ha ye pese aban ye ankasa yen through National Buffer Stock Company omutimi ma yen juma se yenye enwo kokko ebi ne ya package wa se yen fama school fo nyina na omuni nti out of that association no so yire no ho praise kakaka se ya emu no ye beye nursery na nursery for 10 years no ye project a friend 1 million seedling project ye be chama growers ye actual investment companies which is solidarity omo behu na omo soemu aso yasen na ya trend wo oman mu babia no bi enya bi adua. That is the vision. Ya solve problem. Me pacho em say the guest speaker oba ti enyo no anka yenti ha nti odu a mesrem a ye nyina yemfa oseyo eni nanim yemfa anwom ewia na matoaso em say wadu ha ya Abdul Wahab Anan on the whole Ghana school yeah omo didi under free senior high school no on e penny ba odan e Ghana nti enona e behwe dumadie na ti misra wadu ha ti no e ko akodi ne tata de na ba eduti ewia na matoaso
before no ya tan wo modi na fe ya tan ya chairman ono so ene obetina dumadie no mu amaye na ono so ya dan di na fe ya to dumadie so ati DJ yako Solo Fidiamo Abdul Adnan Abdul Wahab Ono Bibi Fidiamo Ono na World Church no Abdul Adnan Abdul Wahab Buffer Stock and then you know you're big nationals especially you call our free SHSE and you know good thing Ena share mensa ewo woman gana moa anopei oride nyo nyama betai jumadi na chi Ora Abdul Wahab Buffer Stock Chairman oride penny for any national chairman any executive secretary Ora Abdul Hanan Adina Motuka Buffer Stock Chairman Ono CEO at the Ghana Buffer Stock One and I call on the journey in our free SHS no a shed and sack. Tis a Polana Bedi, Sarah Mundi, son of Bedi Janity, and you know, a shed and sack. I told you, a cafe and enough for the cook of I don't see you at the Buffer Stock, or Abdul Adnan, Abdul Wahab, or Abdul Adnan. Abdul Wahab, ono ena share ground or any penny for any executive secretary, a rapport, Babina Ameni, and a woman church, your penny for Ora Abdul, Adnan Abdul Wahab, Papa Stop, Chairman. I'm going to see you at the Papa Stop. You call on the girl on the beginning. I was school now, beginning or not Nagaso. Until another or you can find Ochia Kura. Ra Abdul Hanan. I hope I see the Ghana how Biaka. You're a very hard working gentleman. So I was a careful and an uncle. And to be a careful, she will be a until suffering. Whatever. And I said, it's like the name dear to say King Solomon T. Or no, and ne. Jumedi Cassie, ye fano, say, what it in any, I want to make in a say. Let no be a son, ya papa, ya be bia, or sat very ma of a swinging appetite. The second, Paul Seb Cassia, a bra, Kura, or more ever by yet. Chairman, Edema Jumedi, some years of the car, a chairman. The response, said, I saw, what you have to know, and I said, what you to.
Thank you for much more. If you are any memo, paying for and now so Yabishia Manopi. And many day, Yamaho, say, Emperor, which Germany, Mose Kura, a cessor of Bounty. In the years I'm paying for a so mine, any Amamaya German, Nashiano, any Yansa, any Amodi. Boa Macmedia to see to me, Apostle Asumkin. Meeting a meeting, a so chairman, Modi Amami, no. If you hear Pedia,
You better say the time and 24 hours so about that. The Koi, I know, more Awazuna, or more Ghana, or more yet 24 Modano. You better so Eddie, now fee. Ya trust say almost so nim dia kawo ene ne due ye de dwumade ye de abrawo ati to dia na wa peja omo na fe ya boy nsem ama wasa say onim dia so ena dwumade ene eba so no national chairman wopeni Kwaku Mensa ewo ha wo peja ne mo na wo be tina enemo a emaye wopeni Kwaku Mensa ono and the national chairman and the artisanal palm oil milers outgrowers association of Ghana. Orache Paul, a assistant secretary. And also the Bihano Ewa Paul Secretary, Orache Paul Ebe, Orache Paul. Maya, you trust Madame Bobie Ansa, Madame Bobie Ansa. Ono vice chairman Madame Bobie Ansa Obaya Santua de no duba ona wo ba no ti Ora Kwaku Asiedu Foster Paulsem Kasia ma Ora Kwaku Asiedu Foster me mo de pa na so omo mo de say omo ba organize bibia fe Ora Jima Richard so ewa ha ono so oye organizer libye ono so o major na ye boy sem kese e madam openi odro MK wa on sem kese e madam kutiri se e podi yi na wono aboa amasabre yehu yi na executive secretary Edema Jimekoi Yura Paul Kwabena Ameni Paulsem Kasie Elfa Amomo Artisanal Palm Oil Milers Outgrowers Association Ghana Ye any Yampinifua Omunimdia so Sajumei Abaso Yofa Paulsem Kasie Maomo Sabio Na Ejiri se Sanya Modano Wenidi Agisa Modano Wenidi Nanum Happy for and Ghana, ye can't artisanal palm Oil Miners Outgrowers Association of Ghana. Yen penifua womo eda anoni. Na ohye dwumadiye neba bekoso na ekire se so ni pa na ohye obi beka se akaseka ono fa sa adwene no ono tenase na wono popi no wono bo na wono lia wono ade na eso paso de no ono enya na so menyina mo no omo ye omadwene se omotiri popo no omo ni nyina beche na nyina so enya ho afaso de enno na ama ene die ya ba be pie mu e wo fidie mu no ekori de akwanda mu ati oba join ya na ene no why ne tem ba mo join ye no na wa be ka kro no na fe so e wo faso de bia eno so wo so obetimi enya na abiko ati sabre ye pedi 14 adwemu a wa ma gide bia atomu yi sabre ye pedi ba ko bi wo ha wo no so obepese woni yen ebeche asam kakra bi ansa ne beche sa asem no make out say yura Abdul Hanan Abdul Wahab no ye CEO e de ma Bafa stock no oba no ne pedifobia na ka ne ho ebie eye ora Kojo Ata ora Arnold Kojo Ata or your senior operation officer e de ma Bafa stock Ghana enti oba no oni yura CEO e de ma Bafa stock ora Hanan Abdul and it be by a mumbo myself about Ira and not Kojo Ata on your operations the Bafa store. Sabre Yabafre K Net Royal K Nat K Royal Company for say Omoni ya Wakomoka Krebiche Omoni Chevia Nafi Yadi Jumedina Kanato so Bon Sembe Brand Nat K Royal for when they have some come up the day.
You be that say. And I nominate 24 years more. The Pam Chomi, I make a say a frame. Yachiko Moses. Ijinama, Jubeko Yatu Yehudi, Natski Royal Ventures. Maybe I say Natski Royal Ventures, Dana, let me say, a senior agronomist are free, so that I casano. Or can be farm mapping any good farm practices. I'm saying. Acquire a day, young fool, Fasoma, Inya, and soon Fasoye. Jubaqua, yet to one sure. Say, your person a day, star, and one or Emma, a queer four. Now, the Edica, my person met church remove. Achamonia, ye, and then said, ya, okay, ni Ubinya so and Faso. The Edica no solid, Natske Royal Ventures, yet to talk, a bit. Kriafona efona omoye no yeto embeno ena yeto subim say yepe abe atoni yenye binto na okwiani nso wefu a untimi nye diye e den o say yetimi bo ekwiani no otimi ye nefu ni ye na abele ba yeso ya den yenye bi ato enti ye afa ato ye ho so say equia your way, say, ye pa. And I'm the youth of Ghana, so ye pet equia because ye say, Eddie. And so, no, yes, say, I say, oh, a fool. Not say, untimi, and yet, pruning, a woman, untimi, dog, untimi, any good farm practices. Yet, Miss Four was saying. Na ya maya ye kwia yedwuma ye for aba wefom ho abedo wefo no ama etwetwa proni no aye bibia ese fata se de be ya obenya wa be no se de ese na se ye eno se wi hyehyɛ ye da ho ne se enhu nyansa obeto abera mayen so obeto amayen so a fine ye beto asa wonto mayen a ye de obe hyehyɛ ho onipa a oton ma no Wotong wabena manipa no na wotia wokana enkakra said the bayo okeni no won feel said ya wotia kan bebre na okakra obedi no eso beti bumu a ebia dia wodi tia proni wotia dia wonu ya wo so a obewie na tuwa bi na wodi kofi enti eno ne nsisaya yeso yeye na ni hu hia me parent e ma ene me ba ha kan say em say next year ya yenti na ye hye mo ha ena farmers no mo ye efu na sometimes mo boka so mo hu say mo boka obi ha we dua abe no aka sabe na 60 plants na si on say 1 acre but won timi measure asase ne hu say truly onipa na wo do we fu no ye 1 acre na wo tua ho ye ba be ye o mapping amount na mapping na so fa so ni sa wotimi mapping wa asase no ehu asase dodo a o ye so adwuma na eno ma ho kwa ma wotimi ye good recording because good recording even say abedodo a unya pe ekabia afibie mu eno sa no ekua ni wotimi ye sa recording na ejina so ma wotimi enya emwafi ankwampa bia a mo pese mo boa ekuafo no enche enti ena ya fa ya to ye ho se ye be boa mo na mo di sa ejuma no na ne etosu ebio sa wo ye mapping no so a etimi ema wo hu se abe a wadua no eya abe papa na se nya abe papa because wo nim se efuo 2 acres na mewo ye fan se 2 acres so wo abe papa na se e wo se wotimi nya 14 acres per 1 acre wo nim dodo a wo se wonya at the end of the year bia enti se wonya wotimi hu se abe na wadua no enya na se enye na wetimi ato ego edua foforo enti masem kakra ne se mo a ye hye mo ha na ye pe abeni bi edua e ho behia pa se ye betimi di ye ho ahye sa fam mapping na motimi a contact ye na ya ye mapping no amamo na enu echi no se o pese ye boa o efonu ho nyuma ye so a na wa ma ya so ate na ya chomudi na de sa emboano so amamo if I've shown me that mercy.
Moses Nyachiko of the Natke Royal Company. Yeda wase Sabre Abushia Ebato Safre Obdak Omoye Oil Palm Development Association Ghana. Na Obdak way Omojuma Omudi Nina said Womona Womo Pushi se Parliament Ebinya Embrabia ekuafo a moye embanwa adwuma no mbra bi betimi abom ho ban se ne be ya odwuma moye no fasodie no betimi aba na abaniye sabre ameno kase ye papa ayakrado se oni ba beti komo kakra na wa cheche entia e wo se obdak for wotwe omo na fe omo so monsemo a ehia no omo mampenifo e wo my god mo a entibi anti o salom kwame e wo ha Bonsep Kessia Emano Abra, one year about the chess alcohol. I am Executive Secretary, Edima Obdak, Oil Palm Development Association, Ghana. Rakwame, Akwaba.
Nanano, Chief Imam, Mr. Abdul Wahab, CEO of Bafa Store, Mr. Chairman, the Project Coordinator, Cherish Oil Palm Farmers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Oil Palm Development Association is a non-governmental association that comprises of all the relevant stakeholders in the value chain in Ghana, from the medium-scale farmer to the large plantations, marketers and input dealers, transporters as well. Today's event marks a significant milestone in the growth of the oil palm sector in Ghana. Irrespective of the fact that oil palm has the potential to transform the nation's development structure, the industry is troubled with numerous challenges. And we believe and hope that these challenges will one day be solved. As much as I'm happy to be part of this event, which promises to add 50,000 more oil palm seedlings to the national stock, we at OBDA welcome this initiative as a very good one, and we say to the coordinators, Ayuko, and thank you for believing in oil palm. Mr. Chairman, the local demand for palm oil annually is around 720,000 metric tons. The local production is close to 300,000 metric tons, leaving a gap of 420,000 metric tons, which is valued at $271 million US. To bridge this gap and for us to attain self-sufficiency, there is a need for a concerted effort between the government and industry players. Mr. Chairman, we all know that oil palm takes a minimum of 5 years before you'll be able to harvest its first fruits. During these years of waiting, I would like to advise our farmers to use the best management practices that has been proven to increase the yield per hectare. Solidaridad, a partner and an expert in oil palm value chain development, introduced the Sustainable West African Palm Oil Program, which is the SWAP 1, that was geared towards oil palm yield intensification and increase in meal extraction through the implementation of best management practices. Under this program, some farmers were trained. The results of SWAP 1 was very commendable. Yield per hectare increased from 4 tons to 18 tons, and extraction rates increased from 9% to 20%. Mr. Chairman, this golden crop has contributed immensely towards the economic development and export earnings, creating employment and alleviating poverty in some countries such as Malaysia and Indonesia. We recognize the need for continuous engagement with all sectors of this value chain. We will continue to work with the relevant stakeholders to hold a renaissance for the industry, taking into account the role in the economy and the contribution of oil palm in the livelihood of millions of people. Mr. Chairman, it is my fervent prayer and the hope of OPDA that this initiative will provide the needed opportunity for everyone who is directly involved in palm oil in Ghana. Thank you very much.
Ochia Nananom and a face so or so Chia CEO Edema Papa Stock Ghana. You are Abdul Wahab. Optak. I'm touching the book of crime and Mawo, I don't know. Say, Mama Yanio na if you're former Oya Jumano, Mama Jumano Ekokai. It's a Osha and artisanal palm oil millers and outgrowers are. About no idea no one said about Makia, according him, and ambassador according him. Now, so Sabria Manoka say, almost Amabwa Ama Yadi, almost over 50,000 more oil palm seedlings about the count. And Nano, almost say a bit of buffer stock, a Jumadia, Wamodi, and Womano. Wasn't Nera, Sopa, 720,000 metric ton. And you produce locally. Now, what church and the memorable address Ushusika and Kobopa, you're almost over 271 million. And you import to the crop of beef. Abdul Wahab, CEO at the Buffer Stock, Ghana. Young Pala, Johnny Modi school Munino, Papi, Ono, and a Shannon son. And he said, well, I did or did you so many Johnny Pedio, Nina, and Sa and Eshe. And to wash a gun head, say Papina, and this Antiquena said, sir. You can for and a bear said, Mano. Now, no, what's in any be Ayo. You can for Alpha and the Mayana, one fan, a Janina, only be and our crap. Now, what you have at the school for no. enti ono no ana oni akuafo ɛho abɔkra sabre yɛto nsa frɛ no na wɔno so ne sɛm kakra ɔwɔ no wɔtumi ɛde ama yɛ pɔnsɛm kɛseɛ abra yɛwa
very long time now. They have been very instrumental to the progress or the implementation of the free senior high school program. When I was coming into the Akim area, I wasn't surprised to see the production and the processing of the oil palm. I'm so much impressed, and for that matter, I have no single regret for giving this region the opportunity to produce and supply nationwide palm oil. And I'm very optimistic very soon we'll be going international. A lot of African countries are here to learn from us on the free senior high school program, and that also includes the feeding component. So we have a huge export potential, which this region is doing very well. 2017 September, beginning of the free senior high school, we have encountered some challenges as a result of the infancy of the program. Mr. Paul Emily and his team have stood on their feet, went nationwide to make sure that we have quality and quantity of palm oil delivered to our schools. Unfortunately, some of their suppliers were not mindful of these issues of quality and quantity. But I was very impressed with the association's swift response in retrieving palm oil that are not of good quality. And today, there are so many innovations coming out of this very association that we have begun with. And I'm very impressed. And the government of the day is very committed in providing jobs for the citizens. The Palm Oil Association have provided a huge number of jobs to our mothers, brothers, uncles, and fathers. And because of the trust that the government has in the good people of this region, the entire national volume is being sourced from this very region. We have introduced one district, one factory. The oil palm, we can derive so many factories out of the oil palm. It's not just about the palm oil. We have other products that we can derive from the oil, from the palm fruit. So I am also encouraging or asking the association to go beyond the palm oil and look at other things that they can derive. And that will be beneficial to us locally and abroad. We in government are very willing to support them to market their products. It is government responsibility to help processors to find market. And the only reliable market that government has identified is the free senior high school. And His Excellency the President is very impressed. When I met him last week, I was briefing him how the association is doing. He was very impressed that we should be able to have them under one umbrella so that his aim will be achieved, as in boosting the local industry, and that is exactly what is happening now. Apart from the Palm Oil Association, we have the Gary processing. We also have the Tom Brown. We are trying as much as possible to introduce made in Ghana produce to our wards or our young growing children. We all know for sure taste and preference. To change it takes a little while. But we are doing our best through your support to make sure that the palm oil that the students are going to be fed are produced locally here. The gari is produced locally here. The rice is produced locally here. The Tom Brown is produced locally here, so that we will grow with a taste of what we grow. And that would also encourage our farmers to produce. Because first of all, we have to find the local market within our reach before we talk about export. So on this note, I want to thank you very much. And I will continue to give you my maximum support so that we can expand in whatever we are doing, so that it will inure to the benefit of the nation. On this note, to the Honorable Minister for Food and Agriculture and the Minister for Education are also extending their warm regard to the association and also pledging their continued support for the association. Thank you very much.
Na omeboa dwumadi oba yeso senia oho dwumadi no eye ne nikapa eye pa yeah enne apan edi aba no ankwala no ebenya aduane anopa ewia ne anyumre ama womo etimi edi woka se abe no woman na ye dikun abe ho pa na kuafo emomode se enye se ebenya emmo akutu afiri abene mu na so yebetimi enya nyema hodo ede afiri abene mu sanse okọ amanone a enya abene kutu na emmo ne kutu na munya na so omo ye nyema bebre ahodo ede afiri mu enti yam yire ho se yebetimi aye bibi se yebia awie na na se enya mo ne firi mu wia yebetimi di aye bibi foforo wose ono mampeni ehia edi ekono ahonkomo se ekoisi naba na ono bota ne se obeboa na obadua abe ose o mapeni se nipa kosi na wono pe omo ewo mane mu amaboboa wo mane putu enti o mapeni agia tumu prekope se ekoi ono awoni bia omo bia no omo de beboa ekono ama ekono akonenim on sem ho kakra emane yeda se sabre we ni semini bia yura no otimi achire sabre yedenim kakra betwem ye ni twem wia kowura ebesiesie ne ho na wa maye ono so na semba ko mienu bi afa adwumade wu na fe executive secretary to the program no wono so at the speech at the abre ati Mr. DJ manyo kakra ntwem na mabejina owia keke yimu wa maya fachi yekwanse so na wo se go besa apesa o kire wo se dwumedie eni so wa gia tumu prekope ente wo so gitumu prekope na fa wakoma nyina tachi na krono tumpon na enkonenim yankon wo ba bia o yankofa CEO of Buffer Stock anko Ghana fanya bibia na so ne esuom na yede na ba Ocean Fonia Obucha, the Eninam internet so, the Eninam baby Iconino, Inano, Yababo, so deep papa, it's a Nesawaha, Mawaning said to Medi Abaso. Sabre, ye chair Casamono, and Mapoa, Saberima, a petty, the second.
And I'm with my dainty, a demo, a best year, a swim crew game. It's not in pain for an animal. Any of my and then the Asidaka Sear at the mammal. I ate medical sear a big cream. Now, if I buy now a moon, I have a mucacra. And so a painful dear moon. Oh, who said, here, any and painful to a dear more and crack. Almost some booty. Near na esina. Omo yo mujina pinti emenne. Enya so abapa ebitwa. Because say ebra penso a registration eba sumpo. Nipa bitumi ba sabe mafie se. Nana. Sambo fo ya omo di duma e won fro won man fie. Sanse woni se medie no e na da na on pese o mo de da o man ti me ami so mi ga tense kinia wa ya announcement se ihwe ni pani na yekuma se nya okumam enye opemu a ma fra wan fru fie wa na woko enti enyai na omonye won kuma e bia na dachi e besi yi Incani bebre. The American say, it may be a buy in Chroma. Sabi, you see, Ucrom, but the Oduna Moa, Ibika. Mama, fair wisdom. I am fair, Gideon, so entirely. Now, a baby. As soon as Capia say, any in Chrome cry a cacao. In say Cocoa Farmers Association. Now a Drumabia, you register for a year fertilizer. Let's say a year what you have a baby. It was some run I have a fertilizer. Queen in your 8 bus. Capia say only Baba in about 48 bucks. Now, after the year, Babo and Nipa Subo, I don't know Nipa Bako is an assuming. Yan and no say I'm very safe, my dear Bimu. You need to deal war in Nipamu. A Bribia, Bonipa Subo. I dear way and 1 year dinner. It is some Imama Samum Warren. Say, may dear away. Meaning, anonymous, I will tell you, say, and pain to the Benas as a mom, among my siblings, and pain to. The real Bible as so settle as the middle of Bible or the center of Bible. If you want to, if you could be, if you quite happy, chinsu, if I come back, I know the dress you. If I can, I could do. And you want to show me a center. It is a baby behind us, a young cassa, a year won't need. Now, a vessel could be a baby, who will need a Sawara. It is Mr. Mommy, and what you do. Abano also one 1 district 153 1 district 153 and you bring an Abano Bessie fighting Yamaro. Then I see who see Obaba the son no discuss so I see na wo so de aboa Ghana man na Ghana man so akɔso man na die no ebi na otumi ka sɛ eni na otwekwa oni na nado nso esom so yɛ ne second home, the strong place of or the stronghold of MPP. And this is a say about the boy by no, I put any power mu. Yes, you are for the some near Yankasa. Yankasa and near Wabo. And we are bombing Casabi. And the Americans say, Mama and Wile, a ban also a bad boy.
So Sunday, I was here, yes, executive secretary at the association, you are Paul, Wabena, Ameni, Ayoda, Paul, Sam Cassia, Abra, Obama, the speech.
Honorable Hanan, CEO Bafasto, Chief Imam, Mema Memo, Papa Mo, Minya, Munina, my chum, Yachomashia, and I am an EJP. One, Sir Yanni, asoɔ ne yɛni suade ho for the association no ɛnɛ ɛna ahyɛ aseɛ na yɛbɛda otwe di ampɔ ase na yɛvision ne sɛn ɛne yɛ team ne sɛn sɛ yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ palm oil ɛmo a yɛdi no yɛbɛtumi asɔ mu yie na yɛyɛ ne yie na yɛtumi anya aban ɛne associations ne investment abɛhyɛ ɛmo adwuma no sɛdeɛ koko ɛteɛ no anaa koraa sɛ ɛbɛboro so saa na abakɔsɛm kyerɛ yɛ sɛ ɔman bi te sɛ Malaysia ɛba mpatamu a West Africa ebi koraa sɛ yɛ kedi ɛba bɛfa adwen a yɛyɛ no basaa nom de kɔɔ mo mmaa mu ɔmo kodua adwen no na obroni ka bibi yɛfrɛ no per capita income sika a yɛkyɛ sika ama ɔman no obi biara ne obenya ɔmo average ɛyɛ almost $8,900 a year. $8,900 a year. Sɛ yɛka ɛde aba yɛ sika mu a is about 50 million, 50,000 Ghana cedis. Tete no 500 million. Yɛmfa compare yɛman and then your per capita income is about $1,800. Now, Osan Chichem, what they call your sika mua is about $6,000, $7,000, 7,000 cedis. Now, say you meet now as on mine. Now, obi free ni mamu ebefa ebiaba ewaha. Eko ni krom, eko tuya etiminya musika kesiese ya. Na che yeya ni ebi e ho aboro. Na no obi wo vision na eteki one leadership. Say me vision ni say daachen. Sa commodity ya palm oil, member na dum pepe so bi. Na nyumadi a palm oil ye no na abena ye hu no ha no. Ye nyina ye ni wahwe ni Ghana for almost your population about 2% but ye nim hu dwumadi bebre. Ma make asem cho farm work na wudi no. Pest na wutwi wo sen wo fie no. Ni nyina hom de palm oil na ye. Ye de yesam na yemfa no Diana nkasa yenya abefrim ebi na ye bedua yi ubenya abeno akoton e create employment uton abeni wi a obi nso ba ku process eno nso ema obi adwuma ono nso process wi a obi koto ono nso enya adwuma ni oto no nso de bi kwa export na edidi nso akoma ye nua mu school mu adi eti wo hwa ni chain na eye tenten o de compare koko a ebi ni ho saa ye wie koko a ho na edie ye de palma no ne na ya koton price o mo pe no de mai palm oil eno a na kire ne bo ebi ba na ya so akofom e cost ra ebi ni wa ne bo nso change e kire se enye obi a na kire price ye ho ntono na utimi ya palm oil no nso de sie nti utimi edu sika shema utimi di stock enya price papa at the lean season. Na uyi biane fi woni adwuma mani pa bebre awo Ghana ha na na wakọ ni industrial purpose adwuma de empa na ye de palm oil na ye de ye faso de ba na yehu san faso no yehu bi o ye mamu ana betimi aka che o se debi ye nya ba akokra na ye nya ni emfa nkobo obi asombo because ya ye ti omanim a ye mene wo a ye farmer processor a ye ti am ya ade ne ye no ye ne say ye fi ade a ye mpesika wu. Now this is the time for us as group or as an association say you know you be educative ni a che onfasodie ani aben say you ye ni yi abema wo sika be bro koko die na wo ye no so ana rubber ene grofo twa rubber tugu koko abetugu no mu dia rubber uza won say obi ba so on to rubber na do be koy but abe say ne obi anto abe na we need to educate you. Anything you try say you can you hu abom. Na ya ade e betimi dia so you saying within the value chain. Ya fa farmer na den ohia abe a yes or demand no go bia. And yes, yes, if the 2 years are never cooking them, yes, if you cry toy. Because we need more vaso. Yet you 2 on Yancy, and we are 1. Because all 2 acres or 5 acres, or so much obey. We are no free war. You are common processing. And where is he? Through the initiative of Honorable Hanan, CEO of Buffer Stock. I don't know, sir, if you move and when you have packaging was you know, you are away, who be on our say, Mooney Womb. Other than I say a town near packaging and won't send you a panel. Sunny opening your eye who knows any at all. And the vision is to change that. What say a panel? I say, Paul, Memo Juma, and Sunny a Memo Juma near. And or say a kitchen, and then you see a vision now one. A boy, my and there will be a go to be a mono. Yana come. Tisani and what yana. Now you're free on your market. Free senior high school, about stay. Yanka Yahumum, Yan Papa, Yan Motuni, Nayan Fanko. Any power more yes, I want to only a him for a young man who work Ramasu. A man, almost 80% in the produce palm oil. Yan Yanomit if you're on your demand yet. Other than the engineering polishing here, truths or die. Any other investment companies. Nasana Monunsu Migusu Amitu, Minister of Trade and Industry, Deputy Minister of Trade. Yayahu Numadebri. Yet plan a channel, and they are ready to support about 500 of our processes, to give them a good technology. I bet me address our man on young Basano, a more equipment. Minuka said, a Danita they are studying it. Making sure say this investment a man who almost yet me a threat or monument. And also yes support no. After the offering process now you call your babefa and one of the transporter. A pan ben you bet me a pass one they say you better I say you better win answer boom. You here car brand new near any investment companies naka. And we are free at the Biko Tamale. It yes show we a member now a transporter. And one say ya fro, ye knew didn't town near any my near bit me and a long term 10 years. Ye banks to Bendigo City. Ruabanqua, I invited them. Chief Ruabank, ye know Becca, we are in our contract 5 years, 10 years, or best supply one, or best transporting one. Now ya casa, Yanina Casa, no alone, what tracks no, now so all the year man. After a year when you near bridging the gap because of that, for Casa almost say, and we import it. Now, I don't know a channel man. Nay, I tell 1 year, I say, a import here free Malaysia. I bet feed the industry. Meanwhile, who has I said 10 acres, 5 acres, 2 acres because of litigation. Yet home. These are some of the challenges I have to say about me so educating me. Now I am making sure say baby as I see the behavior this is the vision. The vision is importation in so within the next 10 years. And yes, Ghana important move in Malaysia. Never to me artisanal Palm Oil Millers and Outgrowers Association Ghana. And then I know that woman was Artisanal Palm Oil Millers and Outgrowers Association. You better say driving government policy through order. Near say initiative yeah buying no anybody. Emerson you go free seedling no. A bedroom will be answer about free seedling. I bet you are not free seedling. You are free fertilizer. Because yes, you want on mine. But I don't think this vision will realize. Ebimo and anana, where they repeat to us a part of. Okay, the association about a microphone himself free room. Yes, may the bank receive room. I spent close to 2 million Ghana cedis. And I want to implement the same thing, no matter what. And near my I can't say, so I'm ready to face it. Means true. Okay. It's a moment. yanya dia be bo semai yanya dia be bo Ghana mai yanya dia e di faso die e be ma oman Ghana me da wase
Samuel ya baba tro the city se okope emuni bi na sa ashashede ediswa en wo se ese woto ati yema pedifo aprika krabi na wo mo tetro mo emfa
enti ye mu ni wie ni adi ko schools no ma ye di sa security future no better so na sa security no enso ebi wo phone so wo be download it say o ma mo ye WhatsApp ni Facebook no na o goton mu ni dia o di sa phone no e be che sa di we so o be ka cho say wona auto na ye papa ana say enye papa na bia be ko bia you just have to download on your phone eti the vision is say e be packaging wona Honorable Hannah, I shall be say, Paul, why you say I'm into? It's say, Yanisa, near to me, I say, okay, producing movie on so that's security features, no? Near one year, you are meeting international standards. You need to make sure, say, who by young send here, or mine, no, a packaging home for the next vision, say, Ghana beyond aid, no? Also, a packaging now, so meeting that vision because His Excellency Nana Rodamba. Or say, yeah, a bedroom may be more Bessian soon than a view. Your brother, I'm an only for a Bessian. Now, before I let you realize that, no, it's about this. Say, I am you, my and you pay them digital. And you are the digital, a bapamo, tongue, security features, a home, and you will be demonstrated. Now, who you are, you are the two up, you are young by where drama metro for now. No my issue. Unto say Abema mu training, Oma mo ye nwono, ye bema mu training. Na ma hu say ye no food and drug board, e be certified bibia no. Ye ma ho sa speaker ni. Eti by September October or end of the year, bedu ani aye training ni nyina wie. Na fe dia roll the app to the general public. But say here for 2019 academic year no, ye dey man school for na about say code ni bi also because you do school a I'm saying no, if you are say you best certify as an blue. If you do a better so offer up nature so who say click pay a chance and mono if you are na your papa. Madam say.
In a ball international. And what I catch or say a backup of that was a way original. Say the own say Bonnie Casa. A green. Sinra green. I was so stressed. Papa, send papa. I will want to call. I was so among say.
Somebody, yes, somewhere. I don't know, and 34 obedient name. Na yako kati so no. Sit la yabaha. Na itia dance here a passe. I can't say ibetia. Ameno. Seedless no. I am waiting. It is somewhere no. Yeah, kwako kati so no.
Sabra chief mama bonfire my order share and not the purpose when you ever media don't say apa what na say what putting eye go round Sabra what the child mama na afi fine at the and on it see you at the Buffer stock Ghana. Yura and as a honorable Hanan Abdul Wahab ɛbɛboa ama yɛakate soɔ no ɔne kuo ne ma no nyinaa bɛka bɔbɔ na wɔmo akate soɔ no ama yɛn na afei yɛahyɛ no ɛnti ɛwɔ nyame ɔba agya ɛne wo kronkron mu wɔma yɛn nyinaa yɛnka sɛ amen.
nkyɛn na ɔmo ahwɛ saa ade no nyinaa ɔmo wie a sɛbi sɛ wonni hɔ a hwan ɛna ɛyɛ sɛ abɛ ne kɔ ne hɔ ɔmo wie a baabi a wɔteɛ biribiara ɔmo ba bɛyɛ obiara maako obiara a wɔyɛ member no ɔmo bɛyɛ ɔmo wie a ɔmo de data no bɛma wo local executives ɔmo a ɔmo register wɔ kuro no a wɔwɔ mu no ɔmo de bɛma wɔn na ɔmo ayɛ selection ɛwɔ mu sɛ because wɔyɛ just 50,000 yɛsan bɛyɛ 100,000 nti 10 years no yɛbɛyɛ maako 1 million nti sɛ wɔ asase nyɛ ready a ɛnyɛ sɛ no nti gidigidi wokɔpɛ asase daabi nyabotrɛ it will gradually reach you ɔmo a yɛatwerɛtwerɛ ɔmo din no nyinaa din na ɛwɔ me hɔ first come first serve. Nobody will do anything behind my back. I will make sure, sir. Edina amodeba any didi ka hono no mbedi ka akọ no akọ inspect no. Udi nka ho a quickly ubetimi akọ register. Na me ma obi aso ati wa ha say association is based on membership dues. Ati se nkrofo say oh it 30 mo kobu Mr. Mensa. Me abena esi ha no me ye akra me mo ho ka about 250,000 Ghana cedi 2.5 billion enso me nyane just to support you. Let's have vision enye se wo be ya ade a wo de office we 30 ntu kobu obi na won fa be no me mfa ama obo no so amechew. We want to drive a vision and everybody our body yeti of say why ready no be boy na yetimi anya nkofo no ma be so asen ama ben yetimi ani bebre ama obi anya bi no na me hwe enti you agree say all the confusion e be tackle any of the executive get ready for me. I'll drive from Accra and come and meet you myself. That is one point. Another two, me mo obi ansisi obi awa ha enti me will list no they will take it one by one. Omo audit ni wi a me ni omu nyina be hia osumi no ending of April May. Then and she says one we are grower 2 scheme near labor abrofuna any omo can we are talking 2 schemes. Either say a art grower and no art grower no e san say omo record say obi gi abe na abene ba no makoton ama obi nti no they are bringing a scheme that within 2-3 years now our 2 year we dey bob sia enti when we na ba koton and phobia. That is one. Another one, yes, and another one beba say mo amuwo enkronkro ebe ha na mo wa asase kese no amu betimi akeka mo ho abom se betimi anya be 3,000 hectares. Be small holder tio small holder no untu ahwe ya be ma oni essence factory okro no na ya catch us about 3 years no eno ya be ma fertilizer ya be ma bibia fa be no ni on be do hu nyina na we ya adwani wi a sa factory ni ebesi wo ho e be di abe no na ye di afidi factory no eno untu ya hwe eno ye di abe no be ma free ye be ma ska do ho a maintain amana di 5 years sa program me ne aban through Ministry of Trade ye discuss ye ne solidarity ene omo discuss ye ahwe se patamu a obi adua wa nka koku wa adua we we be replace because e be mo ska dia do ho enti wa akoda e wa botom ska mbatom ti ase enti we are going to run 2 schemes and here start no e outgrower scheme and o dia say what risk of selling ye be mo cheap e bia 12 cedi 13 cedi utu ya kitu abi tu ase ani etu ama no akudua ni ahwe se wo be ye ni ye san be ba ho ye the managers ba be hwe eno ho na adgo ano eno de obi ani ho de be ma ho se kona kodua na kotu ema obi a un guarantee abeno because ya tell say obi ko age ano ma koto and it's wrong. So these are the 2 schemes I any leaderships na omo work various communities na ebehia na na ye be ya amamo no na omo ne ma be kasa na omo me recommendation no then eno na ye de ba be ye wo area mo medamas.
I'm really very happy to see what the association is doing they are able to move from processing to production, and the quality of what they are supplying to our second cycle institutions has been the best, even though we have some few challenges during the implementation stage due to the teaching problem of it. But then we have overcome it, and I'm so much happy that we are having a very nice packaging material that contains the security features, as in it cannot be, when it's tampered with, the heads of the schools or anybody who is receiving the product can easily identify that it has been tampered with. We will continue to give them the opportunity to excel both local and abroad, because we are in charge of food security, and having worked with us for 2 years now, and we think they have passed the test to get the best of recommendation from us, both local and then abroad. I'm very impressed with what I came here to see. And also looking at a number of art brewers, they are engaging to help them grow this thing. It's all part of the job creation that we are all yearning for. And I'm very glad that the association has taken upon themselves to move, to add the production to the processing.
Femi Richard Nyamabodi, me na me chairman for artisanal. And jumadi ye enwo e de ma enkrofo e supply of schools. Ni na buffer stock e na so yasen a ye say adwuma no. Na no achi no omo so yasen adwuma ye ni na no sikatuam ni bibia no boboa yen. E me nya sika kakra e de neze ye me about 50,000 say ye de ma farmers no. Farmers no so fa so ombenya ne say ombenya benadua na omo timda ye nwu no bi ni so edi akoma school fo na nya bi adi. Na buffer stock so nya enije wom. Said the Omapenini Bessi Babipa, so be coming be born a craft for Benoit. Ye bet you say, Scanner Yano, and yes, some of the Maya say, Uncle says, Cano, a dear Timmy, dear, and 50,000 Sydney. I'm a farmers no, and in Fumfoni na, and a day I say, the trust ordinary be I bet check a menamuna, no be any dear could dear. Now could you also be so do any national? I see a question for me or land be beer than a better more the amount. Say the movie are that chance was about for so my I send you be and call an Eddie Damasi.